Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nasrin Padasali. So in this video I had made an analysis of question that has been asked in shift 1 and shift 2. Which paper is ultimately released and what about the cutoff for both the shift? If you take shift 1 question paper, many question has been asked from highly expected topic and many question has been repeated from previous year question paper. If a student has revised only the previous year question paper and also in addition to that, if he has revised the topic that are mostly expected topics, means he can find that particular question paper easy. And with regard to question that has been asked for shift 2, mostly research based question has been asked. That's why many people had find that particular thing as a difficult one, and no question has been asked from expected topic. Many question has been asked from unexpected topic or a topic that many students will be leaving. Okay, so shift 2 question paper, it is hard. Shift 1 question paper is very easy, and we can compare the shift 1 question paper with the December month question paper asked by CSA or HRDG previous year, and shift 2 question paper can be comparable with the June month question paper, because June month question paper will be very much tough, whereas December month question paper will be very much easy. In other words, shift 1 question paper can be compared with the BSc level and shift 2 question paper can be compared with the PhD level. And if you ask me whether the cutoff will be a same cutoff or they will be releasing a separate cutoff, means see, many students are thinking group 1 students, since they have wrote a different question paper, the cutoff will be different and the result will be released separately for group 1 and group 2, just like that they are thinking. No friends, this is not at all a correct thing. If you check on the cutoff for all subject last time, like for life sciences they have released an individual cutoff only. They didn't separate shift 1 cutoff, shift 2 cutoff only. So don't worry if you had find shift 1 question paper easy and shift 2 question paper is hard. Anyway, NTA is going to introduce a process called normalization and they will be releasing the cutoff in percentile only. So you should know cutoff will be released in two types. One is percentage cutoff and another one is percentile cutoff. So here you can able to see chemical sciences, life sciences, mathematical sciences and physical sciences, they will be getting the cutoff in percentage, because for the above subject the cutoff will be released in percentage marks only, because they have wrote the examination in single shift and they also have wrote the same question paper. So there is no possibility to think about partiality of marks. Whereas if you take life sciences examination, the exam was conducted in two shift, like morning shift and afternoon shift. So for both the shift the question paper is very different. Okay, so if they release a separate cutoff, then ultimately one group of student will be benefited and one group of student will not be benefited. So the aim of NTA is not to benefit no student or not to disappoint no student. Okay, so that's why they had introduced a percentile cutoff. Percentile cutoff means they will be comparing your mark with the mark of some other. Okay, they will be comparing your mark with mark of some other and they will be identifying where you are standing in the line. Okay, so that's the thing. So you might be standing in 100th position if you wrote the exam well, and you might be standing in 60th position if you wrote the examination well. So with regard to percentile cutoff, I'll make a separate video. I already made a video and I just posted in a community post. Better for this examination cycle I try to upload. So don't think the cutoff is different for both the shift. For both the shift the cutoff will be released in a single cutoff will be released. So don't worry if morning group of students are getting easy question paper and evening group of students have got a difficult question paper. NTA will not leave space for partiality thinking and all, friends, because they had a unique thing called as normalization procedure or equal scoring procedure, where they have a scientist from IIT Delhi and Statistical Institute of IIT Delhi who had devised a separate marking scheme to determine normalization procedure. So for you the percentile cutoff will be released. An upcoming video I'll definitely share how to calculate percentile cutoff. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video.